explains, like, yes, she talks more about the numbers, configuration, the speed, the maintenance of cloud platform. So that is very much need of the art. Okay, with that only they can have a confidence of winning the hotel for the next one. Yes, I want someone to give a final prototype and how this final prototype can be understood.
So the prototype phase became the Moton takes an order for 400 plus 400 plus full micro 346 units. They were installed during the innovation period, but technical and designs were quickly emerged. So the new system faced issues like sensor manufacturing, connectivity failures, and the design mismatches with the custom tabulated. The wireless race required extra wiring. The Zigbee network did not work across the host, and the pool and including errors frustrated staff. The case revealed a lack of product testing, poor vendor and coordination, and over dependence or unverified technology.
Very good. If I explain the prototype, when you were explaining, I was able to visualize that how the features that can be attracted by customers. Very, very well. And how these features can be tested by customer. How we can educate them. Anyone will explain. Testing.
Like testing part, how we are educated because we are giving what trainings to the staff members how it will be used by the professionals who install those that KN 340 systems. By professionals, the trainings are given to the staff members, and the staff members, the managers who are working there are making the customer understood in the polite way that these are the systems we are providing, and it won't leak your data or it won't invade your privacy, sir. So, but at last, what the result was, this system becomes a failure and disappointment, sir, because it doesn't function as expected. It has malfunction in auto log, auto charge, and the sensor accuracy is also a malfunction because sensor accuracy is what we expected from this system, which is the main malfunction in this. But through this, even though it is a disappointment, even though it is a failure, they learned, the people in the hotel, they learned how to make the decision making, how should we make the decision making, and they had this urge to build it, recreate it soon, and they had the urge to make the design fast and easy, everything. So there was mistakes in design and also. So they had understood that how to make a design and how we should take more technical helps and do our own assignments and risk managements, and how we should assign our vendors and how we should train our whole our staff members and everything, how to secure and best technologies, how we should implement that and all they learned during this. Even though that hotel management suffered huge loss during this, they have learned more from this.
Learn from this. Very good, Vator. You want to explain the negative side of this what it always got paid. So on a conclusion note, I want someone to carry for this situation. Okay. So the particular result as we fail the medications this okay. How we can be elevated furthermore decision making or technology environment. Can anyone be conclusion?
Of course, as the conclusion of this topic. So the prototype was going to be a positive side of the negative sides of the project and more than that. So the negatives are mostly premise. So upcoming technologies were give a positive side for this prototype, sir. So the Zigbee is not a common sense talk for the coming processor. So why we cannot use the Wi-Fi connectors like connecting to the flows and the users at connectors. So many problems also the solving it also I think is we are going to implement the cost also the simple power and the renovation method, the renovating type. We want to understand what the problem is there. So that's a biggest problem in there. So the upcoming things technology must be developed. Means the technology will occupies the thesis and give the negative to positive side for this projects.
Absolutely, Darshan. When we find the solution for a problem, that solution become another problem. So in such case, maybe as he mentioned, future technologies may get support. Maybe the current research about supply in robotics, AI, maybe your field of electronics. This may help to encourage this renovation process in future. Maybe we may not compromise with Zigbee features. Maybe as he mentioned that Wi-Fi or some other future 5G, 6G or 7G, that level we can involve in that. Okay? Thank you very much. It was a very nice GD, given very nice points, and all the suggested points are very nice. I appreciate it. We'll meet in the other GD, the different case. Thank you for joining.
Thank you, sir.